Hi guys! I have another unboxing for you guys that I got from Chanel today. Also, welcome. If you're new here, my name is Mayank and I love talking fashion. So if that's something you're interested in, please stick around and hit the like, subscribe, and share button and see what I have to say. And if not, still see what I have to say. So today I'm going to be doing some Chanello unboxings that I got from my essay. I've been waiting for these for a while. I've been wanting to get them for a while. But finally, as soon as she texted me that they were in, I was like, had to get there. So I know I've talked about my essay before. I have actually two essays. I have one at the Beverly Hills store and I have one at the Robertson store. So I have one at the Rodeo, well, the Wilshire, but will be Rodeo. And then I have one at the Robertson store. I love my essay at the Robertson store. He is amazing. And then I love my essay at the Beverly Hills store. She is amazing. So I had texted them both saying that I wanted these items because I wanted to get a couple things. And, you know, usually inventory is just better at the Beverly Hills store because it's a bigger store. It's a flagship store, I believe. So they had it first. So I texted my essay at Robertson and I was like, hey, is it cool? I hope I'm not cheating, but she got these items in. I'm going to get them from her, but, you know, I'll get the next thing from you or whatever it is. And like, these are things that I've wanted for a while, but I also like could get more of because they're like a very essential thing and I could easily gift this to someone. I love buying people luxury gifts. I love buying my friends and family luxury gifts. I just think it's the best. It's a nice gift. It's, you know, something when they use every time they'll remember you by, and it's something they will use often, hopefully, if they like it. I try to get them in neutral colors and something simple but classy and, you know, timeless that they can always use. So that's what I got. So today we're going to be doing a Chanel unboxing. Chanello. Hello, Chanello. Yeah, okay, they were conveniently placed right there. So I bought like 3 of those AirPods from Chanel, and I'll post it later maybe. But I use their necklaces more than I use the actual AirPod cases because the AirPod cases are like this small. You can put your AirPod in it, or you can use it as a really, really like, you know, tiny bag, like
TBE, tiny bag energy.
A very tiny bag that literally fits nothing because it's got a hole on the bottom and 2 holes on the side for the AirPods. So you could probably roll up some cash and put it maybe, but that might fall out. You can't put any coins in there. It wouldn't fit a card. It literally just fits your AirPods. But the chains to the AirPods, because it's supposed to be an AirPod necklace, the chains disconnect. So they connect with this little, like, have a little connection thing right now. I don't know if you can see this. They have a little connection, like a little, that to hook up. Maybe I'll do a separate video about this. But so I just like to use the chain actually, because it's like, I use it as a necklace and I just put different pendants on it. Right now I've got this like David Yurman, like dagger, black gold diamond necklace. And then I also use them as bracelets. See? Yeah. So this is that's from my black quilted caviar Chanel AirPod Pro case holder. And this is from my iridescent purple one. And this is from my lambskin pink one. So I just thought they're a little fun. Like I use a little bracelet, gives a little like flair, or you could just take it off here and just wrap it another time. It just kind of is like this little, I think it's cute.
I think it's cool.
I think they're really cool. I love these little Chanel thingies. Anyway, I'll talk more about this later. But if that's something you're interested in, or you're wondering why I have those, that's why I have those. Once again, I love these Chanel AirPod kit. So we're gonna do the unboxing. Chanello. Conveniently placed on either side. And like a little go-out bag behind them. I got these 2 things from my Chanel essay today. So let's just do a little unboxing, shall we? Without further ado, love you. Okay, I don't know which one's which, so is this gonna be a much surprise for you as it is for me when we open them? So they got the little ribbons on top. Little flowers. Little flowers. Obviously they're small, but so they're something that they always have and then they never have because everyone wants. And it's at their lowest price point. So like entry-level price point for people that want to come in and get something from Chanello, but also don't want to pay too much, especially with all the price increases. This is a good entry-level thing. So it's very hard to come by basically because of the color and the price point and the style. One of these. Don't know which one. Anyway, okay, so what do we got in here? We've got the receipt inside with the little flower and the tags are all here for the prices. Oh, both the tags are here. So those are my tags and my prices. She's so lovely. She gave me, you know, because these are gifts actually. Because like I said, I like to get these gifts. I think they're a great gift. I'm on the list to get these for myself as well, but I wanted to give them as gifts because I needed to give them as gifts right now. But so she gave me a little gift card, a little Chanel gift card, and I think that's so nice. Well, you can personalize a little card from Chanel. Anyway, or if you have a friend named Chanel, you know, that's the gift card, tag, receipt. All right. Okay, so like I said, I don't know which one's which, but here it is. It's tied beautifully. There's a little stick flower on. It just sticks on and sticks off. But yeah, there it is. Here we are. Here she is. Here she lies. And here we go. This the information you don't need. Just check that. Who cares about that? And we got our dust bag, a beautiful dust bag. Oh, I know which one this is. Got a beautiful dust bag here. And inside. Ooh. Yummy, yummy. That is just beautiful. This one actually isn't. This one's for me. So this is the lambskin quilted card holder in black with the burgundy interior. It says made in Spain. Meh. Wish I would have got a made in Italy one. Nope, not made in Italy. Made in France. Authenticity card. Beautiful. Matches up to the number inside. So it's a lambskin quilted card holder. My ex got me this for my birthday 7 years ago. It's my first birthday with us together. I loved it and I used it every day. We went to France and I went on a huge shopping spree, obviously. We were in Paris and it was during Les Soldes, during the winter soldes, Les Soldes. It was like January, February. So everything on sale and I was shopping like crazy. And I think I just left it somewhere, like literally just I had like 50 bags. We were with family and babysitting as well. So we had a baby, a bunch of bags, and me with my blackout. I black out when I shop and just buy everything in sight. So I lost it and I actually haven't been able to get another one since because they just never have it. And I've always asked and I started using other card holders and I never actually got back to getting this one, but she texted me that it was in and I like had to get it. So it's lambskin. It's like beautifully, like lambskin's the softer, more delicate, beautiful, like just feel it. It's got one card holder in the front here. Then it's got 2 card holders in the back, which I think is new because I think it used to be 1 and 1, but maybe I'm wrong. I don't remember. I blacked out of my memory. And then 1 interior pocket with burgundy. And these are so cute because they're like white on one side and black on the other. Very coco. Genial. Oh, there it is. So it's in the front pocket. So the number that matches up to here. Make sure. Yes, matches perfectly. Oh, I already bent it. I don't like that. Already bending. It's giving me anxiety. You're going back inside. But look how beautiful that lambskin is. Lambskin's super soft. People say it's much more scratched up, but I don't know. I've had pretty good. I mean, you just got to be careful and you got to like, you know, clean it and take good care of your stuff, basically. I mean, look, when I bent it open like this, it already got like a crease there and a crease there. Hopefully those go away. And if not, that's just part of the beauty. So next one we got, all right, we got one more, guys. So here's the other one and same deal. She gave me another card in here. Love it. This was a gift too. Okay. And we got same beaut. Oh, she told me which one was which. Oh, that's so nice of her. I was like, what is it? She wrote a little note on the back so that I would know this one is this. Same packaging, because it's beauty fait. Also, I love these little Chanel ribbons. I'm using to like make as like a little fashion statement, a little stylish statement. So yeah, we got another one. Obviously, it's also an SLG, as you can tell. This one all over here. So we got same care card, info, all of that. Another same beautiful buy box. And so this I actually got for someone else. Wow, so cute. Again, gold hardware. This is the boy zip around wallet in black. Caviar quilted leather in the boy pattern. We got 3 compartments in here for cards. You could probably fit like 2, 3, 4, 5. You could fit a good chunk of cards. I mean, you could really fit a lot of cards in here. I mean, it'll hold it. I don't think you could fit like all your keys and your, you know, other things. Maybe like a lip gloss, a lipstick, and some small stuff, and like keys if they don't like bunch up too big. Like my keys would definitely not fit in here. I could fit like, if I took my keys off my thing, maybe they wouldn't fit like this. I'd have to like break them up into pieces. So maybe not the best, but beautiful. It's got black inside, which is nice. The little number is there. Here's the cart. Do they match up? They match up. Woohoo. It's got this big CC on the front, which I kind of like. I kind of like this for me too. Wait a minute. Maybe I should give the lambskin one away. Keep this one for myself. Definitely more durable. I mean, how do we feel about this? Kind of cute, right? Just a little, shit. Now I don't know what to do. I have this in pink, but it's the classic version, and I don't really reach for it ever. Maybe it would be fun to have a pop of color in the little thing instead of the traditional, right? I don't know. Oh, now I don't know. Should I keep this? Well, I have till the weekend to decide, so... Anyway, that's this one. It's so cute. That's my quick and Chanel unboxing. Let me know if you have any questions about these. If you want to ask me anything about them or about my experience. My essay was so helpful. It was so easy. Like, went in, let me take my time. I looked at all of them. I put a couple aside, then I went and shopped around the rest of the store. You know, I looked at shoes, I looked at ready-to-wear, I looked at some of the bags, I looked at the jewelry. I put an order in for some jewelry, but I gotta wait for it to be shipped because they didn't have my size, so stay tuned for that. Overall, great experience. If you live in LA, the Rodeo store is usually super crowded and like there's a huge line and they're very kind of in and out. Like everything on Rodeo, it's so tourist heavy that it's volume and they're not very nice usually, or they just want to get you in and out because a lot of people are just coming in to like view around and not shop, which is why Robertson is better because I feel like if at least you're from LA or like live in LA, like Robertson is where like people from LA go to because it's not as, it's not as touristy and they're just like, they let you take more time and they're more relaxed. They're not trying to like whip you in and out. And that's the experience I always have at Robertson. It's always great, much more relaxed, but they don't have as much inventory. Obviously, Beverly Hills has more inventory, but I had a great experience with my SA. She's been great. She hasn't been pushy. She's let me walk around and shop, take my time, and I didn't feel like it was that. And maybe that's because every time I've gone in with
or I have bought something.
But even the first time, she was pretty, it was pretty relaxed. I think that I know that people do get pushed in and out of that store, and like there's always like waiting lists, and they're trying to get people in and out because a lot of people just go to Rodeo stores. Like I said, they're tourists and they just go to see and they don't actually buy anything. So I feel like those sales associates after time just get used to that and are either just short or curt, or they come off rude because they're not actually getting a sale, like in Rodeo in general. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed that. If you have any questions, please reach out to me. If you have any questions, leave a comment below. I respond to every comment. If you like this video, please share with your friends and family. If you hate it, please share with your enemies and your bosses. Like I said, I know our time is so valuable, so I appreciate you spending your time here with me. Thank you guys so much. Thanks. Until the next one. Bye.